How do you care for an orchid cactus? It can take a couple of years, but the flowers are worth the wait. They are very beautiful and showy, do you think? Here, I'm going to tell you how I did it. A few years ago, a friend gave me a cutting from his orchid cactus. I'll show you. You can take a cutting from the plant, and this is a cutting, so you can cut it off from the plant. Before I got the cutting, I had tried growing yellow dragon fruit from seeds, but it didn't work. Toronto's summers just are not hot and long enough for the dragon fruit. So I took the orchid cactus cutting and grafted it onto the dragon fruit stem. You don't have to graft. You can just plant the cutting directly into the soil, but I will show you. So I took the orchid cactus cutting and grafted it onto the dragon fruit stem. Do you see the crown where I made the graft? It's just above the wire. You don't have to graft. It's also quite easy to root a dried, healed cutting directly in soil. To support the plant, I used a tomato cage to hold the dragon fruit stem upright. I reinforced the tomato cage, as you can see. With the support of the tomato cage, the orchid cactus is able to trail down beautifully from the top. The grafted plant took off. It grew strong leaves and new branches. As the leaves grow older, they turn into branches. As you can see, to support the plant, I use a tomato cage to hold the dragon fruit stem upright. Some people wonder if the orchid cactus should be grown indoor or outdoor. Here is what works the best according to my own experience. I used to move my orchid cactus outside in summer, but strong sun caused a leaf burn. It didn't like the shock from indoor to outdoor light. Now I keep my plant indoor, right by the window. It leaves the plant to get enough light, and also I think the orchid cactus loves bright but indirect light. No sunburn, and the plant looks happy year-round. When winter hits in Toronto, I cut back on watering. In cold months, I only water once a month. Even though our homes are heated, window sills can still get cooler at night. That little chill seems to help the plant rest and prepare for blooming. In February, I started watering again and added a bit of tomato fertilizer. By April, I was thrilled to see flower buds forming. I now water once a month. but I make sure to water well when I water. 2 days ago, the first flower opened. What you're looking at is the first flower. It is big, bold, and bright magenta. Isn't that beautiful? Last night, the second flower also opened. What you're looking at is the second flower. Now I have 2 big, beautiful flowers. It's just a great experience. Yesterday, I pollinated the first flower. What you're seeing is the first flower which has already been pollinated. I want to help the flower to produce fruit. So I'm going to show you how I hand pollinate the flower. It's very easy. I just use a simple artist brush, and then I would take the pollen here, collect the pollen, and then gently touch the, how do you say it, pistil? I don't know if I will be successful, but it's a very interesting experience. If you watch my other videos, you will see last year I successfully pollinated my tomato plants, and I was able to get some very interesting hybrids. If you watch my tomato videos, you will see it. So this year, my plant gave me 2 huge chewy flowers. It feels like a big reward after a few years of care and patience. Thanks for watching this video. If you feel my video is helpful to you somehow, please like and subscribe. Hope to see you again. Bye for now.